Bored ka, no? Ikaw din, bored ka. Lahat naman tayo bored eh. Bored ka rin! Aminin! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Amaika, and for today's video, I'll be showing to you 50 things to do when you are bored. Shout out nga pala kay John Kevin Dacho. Shout out daw eh. Hi! Let's get started! Create a vision board.
Collage ng mga dreams mo. Every time na titignan mo siya, it can be a source of inspiration. Law of attraction, kumbaga.
Workout! Ang daming naging scam ngayon na workout. Sa mga nagbabalak mag-workout, ito na yung sign. Mag-workout ka na. Uy, nakakatuwa. Share ko lang madali. Kasi parang may abs ako. Oh my gosh! Hindi, what I mean is yung katulad kay Catherine Bernardo. Yung may guhit dito. Oh. Okay, bye. Shave your eyebrows. Dahil quarantine, hindi tayo nakakapag-shave ng eyebrows. Or yung iba sa inyo, nagpapaparlor pa para talaga may mag-shave ng eyebrows. Ako, I don't know how. Help! You can also watch TikTok videos. Time-consuming siya kasi akala mo ilang minuto ka pa lang or segundo nag-i-scroll. It is the best for quarantine right now. And dahil nanood ka na rin, gumawa ka na rin. You can try to sing, dance, or whatever. Go! Download it. Eto guys, ito talaga. Change your pillowcase. Go change it now. Mas masarap matulog kapag bago yung pillowcase nyo. Yung mga punta ninyo. You can also clean your mirror.
Wipe it down. Wipe it down. Wipe it down. Wipe it down. Wipe it down.
Thank me later. You can also subscribe to my channel. Click mo na. Sige na, i-click mo na. Huwag ka na mahiya. I-click mo na yung button, tas yung bell dyan. Thank you! Oh, ito pa. You can watch my videos. 23 videos na yata ako dyan eh. Wala lang. Kung gusto mo lang wala ka na mapanood. Andito lang naman ako. Start watching One Piece. Oh my gosh. Guys, panoorin nyo na, please. Sa 900 plus episodes na siya. Perfect na perfect ngayong quarantine. I love them. Learn to cook. Matuto na tayong magluto ngayong quarantine. At least ako marunong na magprito. Char, kailangan din natin matuto. Oh my gosh. Kailangan natin magutom. Play card. Not into gambling or what. We are just playing for fun. No money. Char. You can create your self-portrait. Try mo i-drawing yung sarili mo kasi bakit hindi, di ba? Charlada. Di po kasi ako marunong mag-drawing pero baka kayo. Thank you, Kenneth Marada, for this one. Learn to do your eyebrows. I don't know how. Hindi talaga ako marunong. You know naman, kilay is life, but okay na yan. At least may kilay. Write a letter for your future self. Ito, ang interesting nito. Tapos mabasa mo sa, oh my gosh, this is me. Tupad ko na yung nasa letter. I'm so proud of myself. Clean your camera roll. Hindi na natin kailangan or na-post na natin. So, you can delete it, guys, okay? But, when you are memory hoarder, just like me, ang hirap mag-delete ng picture. So, naiintindihan ko kayo. Learn to throw back. Hindi yung throwback Thursday, throwback picture. Throwback na, hindi ako marunong. Pagpasensyahan nyo na. Pero you can learn it. Ito guys, talk to stranger. May mga application na magagamit kayo. Omegle, Omega, Hola. Ewan ko, ang dami niyang term. Pero marami kayong mga usap. Pero mag-ingat lang kayo guys sa mga makakausap ninyo. Kasi hindi nyo alam kung may ginagawang masama. Okay? Try new hairstyle. As you can see, yeah, Hindi ako may ganito, yung friend ko. Nagpatali lang ako. But you can try a new hairstyle. Vlog your whole day. Magpanggap kayong vlogger kayo. Walang masama dun, guys. And then, kung nagustuhan nyo naman, you can upload it in YouTube and start a YouTube channel. Pretend you have a concert. Especially when you are alone. I can sing. Nobody can hear me. Ay, mag-duet sila. Char. Do makeup. Send makeup, please. Oh my gosh, I don't know how. And I'm broke. I don't have money to invest for makeup. I don't know how. But you can learn if you have. You can do it.
Ayun guys, may tumawag sa atin para i-promote yung channel niya.
Hello guys, sa mga chong, don't subscribe kayo dun sa sa pong tambay, hanapin nyo lang sa YouTube. Tambay tayo sa barangay YouTube page.
Learn new language. Nani? Shia. Oh, chincha. Jebon. Cut your hair, guys. Gupitin mo na yan. Ay, by the way, nag-picture pala ako ng exi yung buhok ko, tapos ang dami nag-comment. It's a prank. Nag-video pa ako na sumasayaw ng short hair, pero guys, hindi ito totoo. Sorry, hindi ko nasabi agad. Nalimutan ko na. You can cut your bangs like what I did last 10 months ago. Here's the video. Hello! Pwede nyo yun guys panoorin kung gusto nyo. Learn some basic sign language.
I am learning sign.
Lang, kung gusto nyo maiba naman, diba? Hindi yung puro tayo daro.
It's like you're taking information from a book and putting it into your head, and then sign. I'm learning sign.
And this is the right time para i-search na yung correct lyrics ng mga kanta. Kasi may mga nami-misheard tayong lyrics. This one is my favorite. Look for your old photos. Yung mga picture nyong baby kayo, tignan nyo, hanapin nyo. Gulat ka, girl. Makikita nyo yung pagka-cute nyo. Tingnan nyo, ang cute ko dito. Ganun kayo. Wala lang, parang nakakatuwa lang. Na mabalikan yung mga memories na hindi mo maalala pero nangyari talaga. Learn new dance. Oh my gosh, how you like that? Ta-da-da-da-da. Gusto nyo ba mag-cover up? How you like that? Gusto nyo? Ayaw nyo? Okay.
Dahil mag-isa tayo, be weird.
Kae.
You can dye your hair. Ang saswerte nyo naman kung pinapayagan kayo magkulay ng buhok. Sana all. Ito guys, ang astig nito. Learn how to write with your non-dominant hand. So my dominant hand is right. So I tried it with my left. So here it goes. But may aso. You can also paint your nails. Yeah. Paint your wall. Kaso wala kaming paint. Send paint. You can talk to Siri kasi nakakatuwa. Lalo na
Siri,
kung
I'm bored.
Kausapin mo siya.
I have an idea. Say knock knock, who's there?
Knock knock. Who's there?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Diploma.
Diploma who?
I don't see who in your contact.
Oh!
Should I look for businesses with that?
Study. I know, right? Sabi kayo, ayoko nga mag-aral. Kung mag-online class tayo, medyo tagilid. So, kailangan natin mag-aral sa sarili natin. Hindi yung puro asa tayo sa mga teacher natin. Char! You can also do a headstand. Kala ko madali lang, pero ang hirap pala. Pero mag-ingat kayo kung ito-try nyo yan. Exercise siya para tataas mo yung paa mo before you can actually do it. Go for a walk. Kasi minsan kailangan din natin lumabas-labas. Tapat ng bahay nyo. Hawag na kayo pupunta kung saan-saan.
Balik na tayo. Stay at home, guys. Stay at home.
You can also read your book or a good book. Or kung ayaw mo ng libro, Wattpad, just read. Kasi minsan napupurol yung mga utak natin. Tulad ko, hindi na siya gumagana. Oh my God, you need to read books. Listen to ASMR. So, tingling. Lalo na kung mga pagkain, oh my gosh, magki-crave ka. I'm craving. Stalk your ex-crush. Kasi bakit hindi? Diba? Ang cute kaya na yung kung bakit mo siya naging crush. Tapos ngayon, yung dati nagtitili-tili ka pa every time na makikita mo siya or, oh my gosh. Tapos ngayon, snob na, diba? No more comeback. Okay, move on. Move on. Kapag hindi tayo gusto, kawawa naman sila. Ganda ka. Ito pa, clean your school bag. Alam ko, yung iba sa inyo hindi pa rin binubuklat yung bag. Aminin, ikaw ha. Practice arguing.
Who are you?
Wow.
Oh, really? How careless you are.
Okay, mga viewers, fix your sleeping schedule. Hindi yung alauna, alas 2, alas 3, alas 4, alas 5, alas 6 na kayo natutulog ng umaga. Mali man yun. Mali man yung B. Drink your water. Huwag mong kakalimutang uminom ng tubig. Hindi yung parati ka nang nakahiga dyan sa inyo. Inom ka rin tubig. 8 glasses of water, okay? You can also swim. Kung may swimming pool kayo, yung inflatable. Pero kung wala, just like me, wala. Yo, smile. Ngiti ka. Dahil yung quarantine, hindi ka nangingiti, hindi ka na masaya. Nilalaman ka ng lungkot. Huwag ka ba palaman sa lungkot? Mali man yun.
Which one is your favorite? Comment below.
O ano? Nagustuhan mo ba yung video? What do you think? Bored ka pa ba? Ang dami na nun. Ang dami ng suggestions. Nasa sayo na lang yan kung anong gusto mong gawin. Wala eh. Choice mo yan. So, kung diyan ka naman masaya, do what makes you happy. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you! And subscribe din pala kayo sa mga channel ng mga friends ko. Tayo lang din magtutulungan.